Guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ANZA-T and to those of you who are new to this YouTube channel, you're most definitely welcome. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing. It really helps me a lot. Today we are making Malva pudding, a Rooibos flavored Malva pudding. I feel like Rooibos is such a beautiful flavor. It's rich, it's fragrant, and it should take your Malva pudding to the next level. So let's make this fluffy, sticky Malva pudding, and I really hope you enjoy. And I'm really sorry I've been gone for some time of the YouTube community, but I am back and I'll try my best to be consistent, although I am very busy with school right now. But I'll keep the videos coming, and please subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's get to making this Rooibos flavored Malva pudding. To start off, you are going to boil 2 cups of water with 3 tea bags of Rooibos tea. You can use any of your choice and just boil it until it's dark and very rich. First, you're gonna sift in 250 grams of cake wheat flour into a large bowl just to remove any lumps or any other things that could be in the flour. And then we're adding in 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, and then 2 teaspoons of baking powder into there. Then we are going to sift them together, and then half a teaspoon of cinnamon just to give it that rich fragrant smell. And you're going to sift everything in and mix, and we're going to set this aside and work on the rest of the ingredients, which are the wort ingredients, and then we'll eventually incorporate all the ingredients together. In goes a half a cup of sugar and then 80 grams of margarine. Then you're going to add 160 milliliters of buttermilk. This makes the Malva pudding very fluffy and soft. Like, the buttermilk is the game changer in this recipe. Like, it makes it 10 out of 10. And then once you've added the milk, you're going to then whisk everything up very well until it's well combined. Although I was making a mess, I think I should have used a way bigger bowl. And then we are going to add a quarter of our very strongly brewed Rooibos tea in there to bringing the Rooibos essence already while we are baking, and it just gives it a very strong, nice flavor. In there, I'm also cracking in 2 eggs. All these ingredients are room temperature, melted or warm. So with cakes, puddings, you really need to use warm ingredients or room temperature. And then we're giving it 1 more whisk. At this point, I should have added the vinegar, but I had forgotten, so I added it at a later stage, which you will then see later, because I then saw the consistency was very interesting. But yeah, if you are you should add the vinegar at this point, but I added it at a later point and still worked out very fine. And then now you're going to take the wet ingredients and mix them into the dry ingredients, and then you'll just use a spatula to fold everything in and mix in everything very well. And then, of course, I had forgotten to add the vinegar. I'm gonna add it just now. At this point, I realized there's something wrong with my dough. It's not fluffy, it's not bubbly. So the vinegar is the thing that makes it bubbly, because it reacts with your rising agents. So I added 4 teaspoons of vinegar in there, which will then make your dough feel very foamy, and that's the perfect dough for a pudding. You can also add 2 tablespoons of a jam of your choice to make it stickier, but the sauce that I'm using today really makes it sticky, and it was fine without the jam. So yeah, let's mix and it will be ready to bake. You can bake this in a casserole dish. I am using non-stick small cake tins. I really love this because they are very non-stick. The Jamie Oliver small cake tins, they are super nice. So the dough that I made fits this. They make 4 of these tins, but you can use 1 large casserole dish to bake this as well. And then I'll just be sectioning my dough into those cake tins and baking them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. But although I check if it's browning too much on the top, then I know it's almost ready. Then I use a toothpick to test. If it comes out clean, I'll stop baking. I'd say also watch your pudding so that you don't burn it too much, and test it with a fork to see, with a fork or a toothpick to see if it's well done in the center. So yeah, we are going to bake, let it bake, and then we'll continue to make the sauce from the Rooibos tea that we preserved. Remember that tea that we made earlier? We're just putting it back on the stove and adding about half a cup of condensed milk in it, and we are going to reduce this until it's nice, sticky, sweet, and can be used as our sauce. I really like using condensed milk because it just makes making a sauce super easy and quick. To this, we are going to add a tablespoon of margarine just to loosen things a little bit with the oil content that is there. Yeah, and your sauce will be done. And you're going to use the sauce to generously drench your baked product in the sauce to get that soft, sticky, gooey consistency. Like it will just drink it up. The Rooibos will infuse through the sponge, and it will just be a beautiful dessert that you can enjoy with a custard. You can enjoy it with ice cream. You can eat it as it is. But yeah, it's really nice. And I know during the holiday seasons, custard is a must. And this pudding, I am promising you, it's rich in flavor, it's beautiful. If you add jam to it, it will also make it stickier and lovely. So I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Just watch for 1 more second to see the final product. Look at that yumminess. How I wish I could put it in my tummy right now. It looks so delicious. It's sticky. It has a very soft consistency inside. It's just a little bit spongy, a little bit sticky. It's like perfect, and it's perfect to serve with custards, with ice cream, with cream, with a lot of things. You can even dress it with fruits to bring in a punch of freshness. But it's really yummy, gorgeous, golden, soft, fluffy. I mean, this should be the best Malva pudding ever. It's a Rooibos. Rooibos is such a unique, rich South African flavor, and I really enjoy working with it. I hope you enjoy it too. And please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I hope to be sharing some holiday content with you guys soon, as December is approaching us and I can make some food for the holiday. See you soon. Bye.